Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking iOS and your Apple ID so permissions are ready. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Next, make sure the phone will have power. Automatic updates run best when charging or above 20% battery. Now open Settings, go to App Store, and toggle App Updates on. This immediate step triggers the system to schedule app refreshes. You're telling iOS to manage updates automatically, which reduces manual maintenance and ensures security fixes install promptly. Once app updates are on, fine-tune conditions so updates happen when you want them. If you have generous data, allow downloads over cellular, otherwise keep them to Wi-Fi to avoid charges. Enable background app refresh to let apps complete tasks and preserve state after an update, which prevents jarring restarts. Also check automatic downloads in the same menu so new app purchases on other devices install here. These steps control timing and behavior, making updates seamless without interrupting your workflow or wasting data. To finish, restart your iPhone so all toggles take effect and the update scheduler refreshes. Monitor the App Store under your account to see upcoming or stuck updates. If you find a stalled download, pause and resume it or tap Update next to the app. If automatic updates still fail, sign out and back into your Apple ID or reset network settings to clear connectivity issues. That single troubleshooting move resolves most problems. If not, contact Apple support for account or device diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.